Verifying your bank account on Guru Client is an essential step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Guru Client account. Start by logging into your Guru Client account using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area of the application. Look for options related to payment or banking information. Step 3. Add your bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Confirm your bank account. After entering your bank details, you may need to confirm your account. This could involve receiving a small deposit from Guru Client, which you will need to verify by entering the amount in the application. Step 5. Complete verification. Once you have confirmed the deposit amount, your bank account will be verified. You should receive a notification confirming that your bank account is now linked and ready for transactions. After completing these steps, your bank account will be successfully verified on Guru Client, allowing you to manage your finances seamlessly.